Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Luling, local and long-distance movers near me. Deciding on a professional moving company that offers reliable services is tough because you never know what the company records hold. However, in Luling, you can pick 3 Movers, one of the best moving service providers. It is considered a long-distance move when you have to travel more than 80 miles to a new place. With 3 Movers, you can pick auto transportation as a part of the service, as well as also transport your vehicle along with other belongings. As a result, you will save long driving hours and regular wear and tear of the vehicle due to long-distance runs. In addition, we provide damage protection on all your belongings. Thus, any damage to your furniture or other essential items during the transit will be covered under the insurance. Moreover, our crew is punctual and will reach your location at the scheduled time. Therefore, you can choose a full-service option or customize it as per your equipment. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Luling moving business offers extra services from which to choose. Local moving might seem like an easy task, but when you follow DIY moving, it will also take you some days or weeks to complete the loading and unloading and set up in the new apartment. Therefore, the best way to finish your local moving under a budget is to hire professional moving services. In Luling, you can put faith in 3 Movers. If the distance is less than the apartment size is small, we can also help you relocate within a week. Moreover, you can get customization to services to your moving needs and budget. In addition, you will get safety and damage protection so you can have a stress-free moving experience, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.